So it's literally gonna be like the size of theirs. Oh, nice. Pretty. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah. Clicks. Okay. Maybe one of the guys has
They
a
probably
spare.
have extra that we can like use.
Yeah. Hey.
Okay. That was easy.
Oh, Lisa. That is good to know.
Oh, thanks.
Such good advice.
Yeah.
Oh, it's all already done.
Look at you, all-time record, boom!
Yeah.
Done.
I love summer. I'm karaoke in here. Oh my god!
Little, hot dogs and beans! It don't get better than that! Look at you documenting.
Yes.
Is that like a legit GoPro?
It is.
For real?
Yeah.
That thing is rad.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Cool.
Use your finger and pull that up. Ah! Don't burn yourself. Alright. Lots of chips. Don't be shy. No. Yeah, do what you gotta do. Oh!
Yeah.
Oh no! You get a plate and you can have beans and chips.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all good too, you know?
Napkin it.
It all.
Two sausages, please.
Yeah. Let me cook these up a little bit more because I just.
Gavin in 4K.
Yeah, I'm still down. Like, let me know. Like, even if I'm like moving.
Yeah.
One day to like unpack my stuff.
Yeah.
That's a little stream. Little puddle. On top of like Oreos, on top of graham crackers.
Yeah, I want to see
With
some
the
kind of
corn.
double-decker business. I want to see what you all
Triple-decker
got here.
What?
Just know for hot drinks, remember, we don't have any mugs or anything, so you got to use your own setup.
Yep.
Wait, I put mine.
Why is he always just
Okay.
being like a chill guy?
Of course, Dan.
Chill guy.
A scoop right there. You can pull that off just like that. Oh, look at you are such a goof. Love it. Look, hot water.
Where's that from? You got this. You got this. You're a wizard.
You're a wizard.
Fireball throwing wizard.
These have shrunk. You catching that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Getting that on video?
Shrinkflation.
I'll
These have
send it to
shrunk
them.
since I was a kid. I would
Call
box
out
of
chips
these
at
in
home.
a
I'm
pint
calling-
of
yeah.
milk and just go boom, boom, boom.
Ooh.
I think there was like a little spot where like the two men like had actually.
Oh, that's
And we
right.
like put it in there and we.
I'm please.
Performative marshmallow roasting. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh my goodness.
This is a prediction. Those are amazing, dude. I'd stop right.
You got the picture. You got
What does that mean? Already in the tent. You still didn't wake up. It was probably just me. You didn't look.
Say your name.
Gavin.
Say your name. Say your name. What?
I think we're leaving at 10.
You want it back?
Oh, it hurts to laugh, man. How big you?
What are you trying to make happen over there?
How are you? Dude, you made me shed some actual tears. Holy crap. Oh, yeah, I'm crying. Oh, bug man here.
Start then.
Yeah. So we tried fixing the tent with our own bodies, you know?
Yeah, but we had to bring bear cans anyway.
You're such a good.
Yeah. It doesn't take a ton of time.
Yeah, yeah.
Bring, like,
Did
bear
you
cans
bring
with-
any of the like standard backpack? But I thought I'd ask in case you forgot. You didn't bring parm, right?
Oh, I did.
Yeah.
Ooh, this looks so
There's
good.
Parmesan cheese. I don't want to insult you, because it's good the way it is.
We'll put jiggle physics on the marshmallow.
In your marshmallow with mine.
That guy's the real deal. Look at his solar rig. He's living off grid. He's like, maybe somebody had sold that, you know, like an engineer decided to stop working.
Like so entrenched in school.
Yeah, this would have been, I wonder, I guess we get some numbers. There's a whole little city.
Spend time in the visitor center, but there is a driving. Did you get gas too?
I did not.
Thank you guys. Have a great
Yeah,
day.
Joe, it's a pleasure, man.
See you soon.
Yeah, thanks again, Rachel. Awesome to have you.
I didn't know you purchased the exit of the car.
Yeah, thank you.
We didn't.
Louise. Thanks, Bye, Louise. Bye, Rachel.